Alright. Hello. This is day 4 of making assemblation. We're gonna work on animating the extruder. I'll probably just call it the roller. Stop trying to be special. And probably more piping, or air ducts, I guess. First, I think I'm gonna do some stuff to this. I don't like how the motor is so oddly raised and not like on the ground. So I'm gonna try to do is put it on this gear instead of this one and add like supports for this one instead as well. That should look a lot better. Let's see. Hopefully this lines up pretty good. Wow. That worked perfectly. Worked so good. So perfect in every way. How nice. Alright, that's an issue. Less maybe if I just raise this a bunch. Yeah, I think that looks a little better. Just copy it on this side. Yeah. I just gotta move this out a little though. That's good. Yeah. For the supports, here I can just do that. It goes a square. And that looks okay. Looks good. Unless maybe if it looks better if I do this. Looks even better. Yeah, that's good. There we go. It's pretty good. Now, I also want there to be an animation on this, so not just spinning stuff. So I'm gonna make like a little plate animation, because that just kind of goes from one spot to the other. Just simple, not too good of an animation, but good enough. that there. If we have that there, and it'll just kind of move up 2 studs. Alright. Let's call that move. Have the start of the animation probably down here, actually, like right under here, then it'll move up 3.5 studs. And I could add like a little slot for it to come out of. Yeah. That's good. Now we gotta code it. Yay. So fun. Oh, there's no sound actually. I'll make like this the sound part. Back to the toolbox. I'm thinking like just electronic or motor. Electric motor. Alright, this might be loud. No? I think that's good. Alright. This is gear 2. Can I just... Yeah. There we go. That would be good. Yeah. Alright. Here's the annoying part. I need to figure out transfer speed. I want it to take in at 30 a minute. So if it's 1 ingot for 2 seconds, that's 30 minutes. So it's going to take 2 seconds. That's the Z axis, I think, right? That's Z. Oh, I forgot about spinning. Nice. I definitely. There we go. And that should be good. Just gotta wait. Might as well start making more of these. It is very simple. I think it's steel blue I used. Yeah, and this is neon orange. Simple enough. And this one might be a little complicated though, because we need might be complicated actually. What's this? Keyframe frequency, that's fine. Let me get down here, it's gonna be annoying. Alright. Oh, I forgot I'm here. all we gotta do is get down here. It's gonna be so very fun and exciting. I think I'm actually gonna raise that up. Put that down. Yeah, there we go. I gotta lock these. This is middle three-way air duct. Okay, this is basic middle three-way air duct. What a nice name. But this should hopefully work. Very hopefully. Okay. I'm sure that's fine. Anyways, let's see. So we make this AMT of 1. Item of iron ingot. So I think just check exit. Good. I think this is moving the wrong way though. Maybe. Might be moving the wrong way. Let's see what we got in here. There's other. Oh. Alright, I see how that works. Let's try X. And then probably one your rotation degrees. Let's make it like, let's see how 360 is. See how this actually works. We make this one, item 2, iron ingot. So we're spinning the wrong way. And I also need to make, I know what to do. So that, group, gear to rotate. These group, gear, rotate. Also, this didn't move the right way again. Let's see where it moves. not any better. How did the gears move? The wrong way still. Come on. Let's try that. That should work. And then this. Try the y-axis. Spins the right way. And this is going the wrong way. Still. Okay. Yeah. Back to this. Okay. Nice. This is enter. This is exit. This is also enter. Boom. And the rest that'll make are gonna be easy. Okay. Just found out that this needs to be all the way out like that. Wait. No, it does, right? Because... And it's not even on. That's fun. So very fun. Alright. We're gonna pretend we didn't see that. Anyways, this should be working now. Just 50 into iron ingot. Yep. That's good. It's just so it turns out these actually need to be like that. And these should be thin. Yeah. That did nothing. Wow. There we go. There we go. That wasn't that hard. Okay. Back to this. Oh man. Alright, this should work. Works great. And then exit should keep happening. Nice. Nice. So basically one of these per furnace. Yes. Whew. Alright. Let's get some of these. I know. One of these per 2 furnaces. I said they're wrong. Alright, more of these. And less of these. Are these glitchy? Sure are. Alright, back to these now. There should be an enter. There should be an exit. That. And that's enter. Exit. This is basic. If I'm looking this way, this is left. And then we need a right one, so this should be exit. This should be enter. There should be steel blue. That's the neon orange. This is the right. And obviously this needs to be the steel blue. Orange. Same on this one. There we go. So how the setup should be, just to get a little hint at what some factories could look like. 2 of these. Like that. And then we have a left, a straight, and a right. Left, straight, and a right. Of course, it'll be a lot easier to set up air duct lanes. Yeah, that'll be it though. And then this is not right. Okay, that's why I got so confused. There we go. Where's the left one? I need to fix that. There there we go. This is what one should look like a little. So if I just run it, take this smelter, AMT 50 iron ore. This one 50 iron ore. Yeah. That should be constantly going, baby. Oh, it's because there's a delay between them. Why is there gotta be delay? Alright, there is a massive delay. This is why we do tests like this, to find out all the big delays. Yeah, see? Check interval. 0.01. Roller. Wherever the check interval is there, 0.01. Yeah. Should be good now. So if I bring this enter to 50 iron ore, then I need a left, straight, left, and a right. Like that, there we go. Yeah. So I guess probably something to do with merging the air duct. So we'd have to create a separate script for that. So exciting. Alright. There we go. On my average view duration, well, that's weird. So I'm glad they came back. Meanwhile, let's do that. Do that. We're good. Okay, that selects everything except for the locked stuff. So one thing you can do is go to locked equals true, and go to everything, anchor everything, and then you're good. Fun fact. Look at these. Oh, I really like these furnace models. They're so cool. They have so much movement to them. Yeah. Oh, that's what we needed. Or, no, I gotta wait for that script. So, guess we'll just chill here for a little as the scripts get scripted. I'm just playing with my sticky hand. Or I guess I could just paint some terrain. Paint some grass everywhere. Let's get like some grass right there. And maybe over here there can be a big plotch of ore. A little plotch here. Or maybe like right here. And right here. Just little everywhere. Or actually I can just like get the whole map into view. Get some right there, get a big one right there. Just fill the whole map with all of this. This is where all the ores are gonna spawn. Spawn grass. Also just to get some of that terrain, the concrete out. Sure is taking a while to script. There we go, that's pretty good. Got your building room, ores. I think this is enough building room. Okay. It's a lot of thought. Let's get that. What's this look like? Try make it like see, I don't want grass. Grass is just gonna ruin it all. Wish I could just get rid of the grass entirely, but I think I might have to. I don't know if there's any terrain. Like leafy grass? How's that look? Oh. Or what if I make... Because ground is just grass without the actual grass. So if I make the ground color the same as the grass color, it's a lot like muddier. I think leafy grass might be the way to go. Yeah, let's do that. There we go. Looks like it's done scripting. And I missed some mud. Not mud, but dirt. There we go. Alright. So now, this should run... I did basic right? Yeah. So supposedly should work. I don't think it worked. Hold on. Yep, didn't work. Right, this goes out, goes in there, and then so. That should be good. It says I have a view for like till 136. Doesn't say I have any concurrent viewers. Oh no, that's never mind. That's just alright. Odd. Yeah, I don't know how to change the keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. I don't know if it's in here, like settings, output. Video. Stream. I'll fix it later. Or I'll just ask now. That's Activities, but frequency. So good at spelling. So settings. Output. Simple, change that to advanced. Alright. I'll do it later. Already streaming. Do you think this is a good amount of space though, right? I'll change it if we have to. Like, getting the size of the machines. And you're gonna be able to build on the grass, but not in the rocks. I'm sure it's fine. I ran out of fudge to eat, so I'm gonna be tired. Can I have any sugar? Any sugar? It should work now, possibly. It doesn't work now. So nice. Okay. That was the sound part, yeah. Alright. seems fine. I'm gonna use a spawn point in the middle of the map, which is it a stud? Yep. It's in the middle of the stud. That's fine. Oh, okay. I'd say this is a pretty good model. Just sitting here waiting for the script to change. Don't really know what else to do. Maybe let's just test some stuff out. If we get all the locked stuff, we get the force field, or the space shield I called it, at like 0.8 I don't know, 0.6 transparency. Does metal look good? What about ice? Very repetitive texture. That's like an obvious repetitive. I don't like it. And glass is just... oh, no, not glass. I guess force field. Yeah, the top is... makes it look all weird. What was it? With the top removed, then it just looks open. Yeah, I was gonna keep that. That'll be fine. My average view duration keeps going up for some reason. Anyways, I keep having one view. I don't know why. Somebody keeps like second guessing themselves. I'm gonna go to bed after this. Taking so long. Oh my gosh. Yo. Oh my gosh. How much thought taking are you gonna do? Sheesh. Should it be that hard? I mean, I don't know how to code. Oh my gosh. Alright. Yeah, that's better. Okay, that's good. That's good. Everything's good except for this script that's taken a million years. That's not good. Might as well just organize everything, I guess, while we're waiting. We have that. We have enter. We have exit. We have left. Oh, I forgot about that. We have left. We have right. Middle, the left, the right. Place part. Oh, I was apparently inactive too long. Wow. And then Bob is gonna go like somewhere. Right there. Or right there. There we go. Yeah. Oh, and my average view duration is down. It went down. But I still have the same amount of views. Okay. Sure. Whatever YouTube wanna does, I guess. I wonder why there's like a faint green lighting. Oh, this might be reflection from grass for some reason, I don't know. What's this button? What's this? It's like the most boring part about making a game when you don't know how to code, waiting for the AI to do everything. Because sometimes it's slow. So very slow. I'm gonna work on the 4-way air duct now. Because I'm tired of waiting, and I'm sure anybody that's watching will be tired of waiting too. Well, that's fun. That's gonna be on every air duct. I forgot to make these small. That's so very fun. Guess it's just another thing for me to do while I'm waiting. What? Was it? Another fun thing for me to do. So all the mistakes you find. So fun. So very fun. That's also very fun. When did I do that? I don't know. Wow, another one. This isn't skinny. Ugh. This is so fun. I love making games. I think that's fine. It's all fine. I just gotta guess how much I gotta raise it off the ground. 0.7. Okay. That's good to know. Didn't raise it off the ground correctly. That was good. Now we are fine. Okay. This is still going away. I've been going at it for like 15 minutes. Look at all these air ducts. So many. Guess I could start designing the ore nodes, so I'm not just sitting here doing nothing. I think they're gonna be pretty simplistic rocks. After that, it's gonna be like part of the base. It's gonna go up and then like rotate a little, get a little smaller, go up some more. And that's gonna go up even more, shrink a little, that way a little, that way. Let's add some random one throughout. Random ones throughout. That's what I was trying to say. I think I'm a little tired. Yeah, that's pretty good. This will be ore node template, so I can add an attachment, call it miner ATT, duplicate it, whatever I want, and make this iron ore node. Scared me. Actually, not yet, because I need to add iron. And actually, not yet, too, because I need the ores on it. I'm thinking I could do foil. I want like an irony color. I can make it like sand red, maybe. Yeah, I'm thinking a sand red iron color. I feel like it should just be called red sand, but nah. yeah, this is now the ore node template. I forgot I need to name the ores so they're easier for me. Name ore. And I don't actually like the sand red. I'm gonna do like medium stone gray. Right? With a material of tried metal. No, too refined. Yeah, I guess foil does look good. Ore node template, copy it, iron ore node. And then I can copy it again to make it copper ore node. And then select all the ores, make it copper. Yeah, I guess that looks good. And then so on, you know. Yeah. How is he still going? How long has this man been going on for? It's been like 20 minutes. Oh my gosh. Alright, I guess I'll end it here because it's taken way too long and there's nothing else much to do till tomorrow. And it's late, so I'll just do the waiting for you guys. Goodbye. Have a good day or night. Bye.